a couple no cooling calls over here at this shopping center, and we'll go over here and get started. Okay, got an ambient temperature of about 84 degrees outside. For most of you guys watching, that's not even hot. For here, it's a pretty damn warm day for here, so we're gonna get them some relief here. So let's get to cracking. Okay, I got a call at a restaurant that has 2 units. This York unit here does the front of the restaurant, and this Carrier knockoff does the back kitchen area. Okay, got the panel off the side here, and as you can see, we've got no indoor blower motor and an iced up coil. So let's check voltage in our capacitor, and we'll see what's going on here. Okay, so the control, this blower control is bad on this York unit. We'll have to get him a new one. In the meantime, to get him some relief is I'm gonna wire it up so when it calls for cooling, it'll bring on the contactor and the blower motor. We'll get him some relief. Hope this is coming over on the camera. So what I did was I took the tap from cooling, took it to line, so the motors, the indoor fan motor is gonna run 24/7 until we get the new control. Everything else will go through the control and the thermostat like it's supposed to. You can see the thing's all melted and warbled, and it's just not sending contact through for the cooling leg on the indoor blower motor. And the coil's all iced up. It's melting now. And our fan's running. And we'll get this coil de-iced. And then it'll be back to cooling. And when we get the new control, the indoor blower control, will change it out. And in the meantime, I can get them some relief in there. Okay, so there's an easy check on this. You get your voltmeter out, you go from ground, and then for your terminal out on your blower control, check your voltage. Should have at least 119 volts on that one. That's what I was reading to from leg. I got 0. You can take it to leg and get 120, pardon me, 121.5 volts. So the blower control's bad. Get him some cooling. Take the lead from the blower. Don't do this if you guys don't know what you're doing. This is just stuff that I know. I just made my indoor blower motor basically run 24/7. So I got the 2 leads for my indoor blower motor going to the line on my contactor. This one, power comes in, comes up the bottom, which to me is always backwards, but they always do it on air conditioning, then out the top. Because that's how the power comes in from the disconnect over there, and that's how they did it on this one. So basically, to get them some relief, I basically hot wired the indoor blower motor. Let the ice melt off, and then we'll get it back to cooling for them until the new blower control comes in. I don't have that on my truck, but I'll order it. US Air is my York dealer. They send parts out. I'll have that part tomorrow. Okay, that's some hacking and mowing on air conditioning from the refrigeration guy. Pretty simple stuff. Gotta love the old side discharge. It's all that water coming out. Instead of going into the store, it's just going onto the roof. Oh, the good old days. All the new stuff's all downshots. And then all your iced up coil water ends up in the store. Stop, take a look and listen. My compressor's iced up and I'm tripping. No blower motor, it ain't blowing. Cause the York blower control, it is sucking. Yeah, boy. Word to your air conditioner. Ice, ice, baby. Dum, 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 dum.